Hello guys, welcome to Solving Solutions. On today's tutorial we are going to look at Voronoi Polygon. So it's actually an area around the point. We have different points here, right? Good. Whereby everything inside of that area is closer to that point than to any other point. We have about 18 to 19 points here. So a polygon or polygons will be formed around each of these points, right? Good. So the region that is around, or let's say the area that is around a particular point, everything inside of that area is closer to that point than to any other point around it. So in as much as 1 and 17 are close, the polygon will be formed that inside of that polygon, everything in it is closer to 1 than they are to 17, right? Good. So in order for us to see it, we come to the processing toolbox, and then under vector geometry we are going to find the Voronoi polygons, and then when we invoke it, what it simply means is that it creates a polygon layer containing the Voronoi diagram corresponding to input points. So we have our points here, and then we are going to leave the other options as default as they are, and then we click on run. So we can decide to close. Now you can see that the polygon has been formed. Let's zoom to layer. So these are the different regions that are closer to the point. Now let's take this to the top. Good. And then if we decide to open the polygon here, if we decide to open the attribute table of the polygon, we are going to see that we have similar attributes as that of the input, which is about 1 to 19, or let's 0 to 19. And then we also have about 0 to 19, right? Good. So each of the polygons represent the region, that's the area around a particular point, whereby everything inside of that area is closer to the point than to any other point, right? Good. So this is for 0, that's 1, and then this is for 1. Down now you can see we have this as the region whereby everything is closer to 1 than they are to any other point. So with the Voronoi polygon, in as much as it produces irregular polygons that meet edge to edge, you can see that they are meeting edge to edge. They are having relative spacing between the points, and then they use the nearest location, or maybe the influence zone. So each of these points can be maybe some service units, maybe the schools, or maybe the hospitals in a particular state. So each of these polygons show the area where people are closest to that particular hospital or to that particular school. So it visually reveals which hospital or school serves which particular part of the state, right? Good. So the state is divided into these polygons as per the positions of the schools or maybe those other facilities. So we have shown you how to determine or calculate the Voronoi polygon, or how to draw the Voronoi polygon from your point feature. So we are going to see you on the next one. Until then, keep staying safe and have a fantastic time. Bye.